Yeah, so welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so today I'm here to do bank to P2P arbitrage. So last month, bank to P2P arbitrage was some way, yeah, but I think like this month the bank to P2P is active and people are making money with the bank to P2P. So how can you do bank to P2P? That's the main reason why I'm doing this video. So people don't know much about crypto arbitrage. So when you tell them that crypto arbitrage, they think it's not true. Yeah. So today we have a lot of strategies that we use to make money with arbitrage, and this one is one of the ways. This one is bank to P2P. It means that we'll be using bank and we'll be using crypto and we'll be using P2P and we'll be using what? Credit card. Yeah. So I will show you step by step. But you know one thing, Crypto Lord, I don't share my ideas for free unless you're my student. That I will share my ideas for you for free. So if you want to be my student, you can chat me and be under my mentorship, and I'll show you everything about crypto arbitrage. I'll teach you everything. But let's assume you already know much about arbitrage, but you only want the knowledge about bank to P2P. That one too, I can show you how to do bank to P2P arbitrage. Yeah. So let's go through together and see what's up. Yeah. So you can see that I've opened my Bybit, and it's not only Bybit that you can use it to do your bank to P2P arbitrage. Yeah, any exchange that you have. First of all, you have to have P2P on that exchange. Yeah. So if you're using Binance, Bybit, OKX, you can still use it and make good use of the P2P. Yes, I'll be using the P2P and I'll be using my bank account or bank card to also do it. Yeah. So, and we also have a way of using a visual card to do all these things as well. So I will show you everything, but in this video I want to go lighter deep, yeah, not red deep. Yeah. So if I come to my P2P here, you can see that P2P, this the sell. So we have this person is selling, this person is selling, like if you sell USDT to this person, you'll be getting 11.63 for one USDT. So when you open your P2P, it's not every person that you have to do trade with, but if it comes to the sell is safe than the buy. But when you're doing with the sell, it's very safe because you receive the money first before you release the coin. So if you haven't received the money, you don't release your coin. But when it comes to the buy, we have some things that you have to look out. Yeah. But this one we'll be using the sell part. Yeah. So if I come to the sell, you can see that this person is selling and it's using the quantity is 4,000 USDT, and the limit is from 11 Ghana cedis to 47 Ghana cedis. So it means that this person, you can do this trade with this person when you are selling from 11 Ghana cedis to 47 Ghana cedis, but shall we want more? So let me go to this person. This person is 100 Ghana cedis to 2,000 Ghana cedis. So I think I can do trade with this person, and it's also using MTN mobile money. But when you're using Vodafone Cash too, you can search and see the person who is using Vodafone Cash. But I have MTN mobile money connected, so I'll use my MTN mobile money to do it. So if you want to do this bank to P2P, there are 4 things or 5 things that you need to have. First of all is an exchange, bank account, Visa or MasterCard, like local accounts, like let's say Vodafone Cash or MTN mobile money, Airtel, Tigo, yeah, you can. So if you have all these things, that means you're qualified to do this bank to P2P arbitrage. Yeah. And we also have a particular bank that we use to do, because some of the banks, they charge some fees, and some of the banks too, their fees are very low. So I will also tell you the particular bank that you need to have so that you can do this trade. It's not every bank that like you can use their credit card to do crypto. So we have some banks that like we use to do. So now all, if you are under me, I will show you all these things. Yeah. So I'm doing this trade with this person, the Avogadro, this person, and he is verified, good verified. Yeah. So that means it's safe. Yeah. And his limits is from what? It's from 1,000 to 250,000 Ghana cedis. Yeah. So first of all, I'll go to the app that I will use it to buy the coin with my Visa card. So here's the app. So let me start from 300 cities. That one is the normal thing for everyone. 300 cities. Yeah. So if I come here, you can see that the one USDT, I will spend 11.17 Ghana cedis to get one USDT, right? And they will charge you a fee of what? 4.48 Ghana cedis. Yeah. And I think some people were saying that when you use it to trade like 5 times, the bank block it. No, we have a way of doing it, and I will show you all these things. And some of the banks too, when you use it to buy the coin, they put hold on your account. But we have a way, when you call them, we have some things that you have to tell the bank, so that the bank will open your account for you, will open the account for crypto business, and they will do it for you. So we have all the chats that you will tell the bank, and everything will be okay. Yeah. So it means that if I'm spending 300 Ghana cedis, I'll be getting 26.43 USDT. Yeah. So before I proceed, let me go and see if after this one I will earn profit. So 26.43, right? So I will come to my p2p, because I will use my address. I'll use my Bybit address to receive that money. Yeah. And everything is legit. Those who you do banks with p2p, they are aware. Yeah. So when I come here, I'll just enter this person's cell, and it's 26.43, right? So 26.43. So it means that I'll be earning 7 Ghana cedis as what? Profit on my 300 Ghana cedis. Some people will be saying that this one is very small. So imagine you are doing this one 10 times. If you're doing this one 10 times, how much are you earning? You're earning 70 Ghana cedis profit on your 300 Ghana cedis. You see that thing? Yeah. And everything is legit. You know, we don't fake over here. Yeah. And those who use it, they can testify to it. And you have to know, it's not every bank that accepts crypto. So we have some banks that they accept crypto, and I will put you through all these things and how they can even open your accounts for you. I will show you everything. Yeah. So after every trade, I'll be earning 7.11. So let me use 1,000 Ghana cedis as a normal destination. 1,000 Ghana cedis. Yeah. So if I'm using 1,000 Ghana cedis, I'm getting 88.13 USDT. So let me go and check over here. 88.13. So I'll be earning 24 Ghana cedis as what? As profit. And the bank that I use, when you're doing a trade, they charge 1%. So it means that every trade on my $10, on my 10,000 Ghana cedis accounts, like I'll be getting 14 Ghana cedis profit. Yeah, at times I'll be getting 18 Ghana cedis. Yeah, depends on their rates. Depends on the bank rate. Yeah, because the bank will be selling their USD to you, so it depends on the bank rate. So you have to also know how to check bank rate as well. Yeah. But this is the amount that you'll be getting after everything, 88.13. So it means that I'm earning 24.07 Ghana cedis as what? Profit. So I'll come to my account here and I'll proceed. So when you're proceeding, make sure that you already created an account, verify the account with your Ghana card or with your Nigeria card, with any identity, no matter where you are watching me from. Yeah. So I'll copy my say what you are about to send USDT via BNB chain network. The network of the receiving wallet should be the same. If not, you will lose your asset. So you have to what, go and copy BEP20 address and paste it over here. So I'll close it, come here. This is how to copy your BEP20. So I'll click on deposit here, crypto USDT, and I'll choose BEP20 and I'll copy it, and I'll come to the exchange again and I'll paste it over here. So I'll paste my exchange over here, then I'll click on what, continue. So when I come to continue here you have to what, log in. You have to log in. Yeah, so let me log in. There are some things I will not show you. I will not show it to the camera. You see, some things are my personal things, so I will not show it on camera for security reasons. Yeah, so I've logged in. Yeah, so you can see that I've logged in. Yeah, so I will then connect my Versa card here, and I'll pay the 1,000 Ghana cedis in order to what, get 88.13 USDT. I hope you can see it. Yeah. So I will have to what, input all the details over here. So I already have my details there, but I will not input it. Yeah, I will not input it. Yeah, I will not input it. Some people are very smart, Charlie. They'll even steal your yeah, I'll not do that. Yeah, so there is it. So after everything, I'll be earning the 88. I'll be earning the 88.13 in my account here. Then I'll come straight here and sell my 88.13, and I'll be earning 24 Ghana cedis on the $1,000 accounts. Just simple as that. And this one, you can repeat it as many as you want, but as a first timer, when you repeat it like 7 times, the bank will hold your account on crypto, and they will call you to confirm that you are the same person using your bank account for crypto transactions. And when they ask you, we have an access that you have to give to the bank so that they will open your accounts for crypto and you're good to go. And when you also go to the bank, we have some things that you have to tell the bank, and the bank will open your account for you and you are good to go. It's not everything that we can say it over here. Yeah, crypto is legit and it's legal, bro. Yeah, but so when you go to your, but when you're doing some things like this, repeating some things, the bank will be assuming that maybe someone is trying to steal your money and stuff. So you have to confirm to the bank that blah 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 blah. You see that thing? Yeah, and you are good to go. So this how you do bank to P2P arbitrage in 2026. And if you want to learn this process, I'm the best. I'm the one that can put you through. You see, yeah. So thank you for watching me. I'm Crypto Lord, and if you want to chat me, I have my contact in the description bio, in my comment section as well. Just take it and chat me. I'm out. And please, I will not be a first person to chat to you about anything concerning crypto. I don't do that. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. I'm out.